What's up, folks? It's your old pal, best in all the world, Lord Reverend Colonel Shock Illusionist Dan Sperry, the anti-conjurer, and get ready to freshen up your dusty old SpongeBob routine and make a splash with my new Super Spongy Duckies. These look exactly like the classic rubber duckies that we've all come to know and love. These are perfect for close-up, parlor, or stage. They can be held in the hands of any adult or double-handed with kids for any close-up routine, or use my included SpongeBob routine if you don't have one to work with already. Each set contains a pack of 4 of these absolutely adorable Super Spongy Duckies that resemble the classic rubber duckies like I mentioned, that will allow you to stand out and be memorable for a lot of your events. Not only are these things that people are going to be talking about, this is something that they will remember you by long after you're gone, after your show. Perfect for kids, perfect for adults, close-up, parlor, or stage. These stand out, look big from a distance, and are super visual. Pick up a set of my Super Spongy Duckies right now, or if you already have them, good for you. Get a second set as a backup, because it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Magic Show!